Okay, let's take a look at number 10 on page 234. Page 234. Determine the period and the amplitude of each function in the graph. So we have two functions. There's A in blue and B in red. Okay, well, basically, we're going to apply our formula. Amplitude equals max value minus min value divided by 2. Okay, so for A, the amplitude of the graph is 2 minus a negative 2 over 2 or 1. And the period is 4 pi. Okay, for graph B, the amplitude is max minus min divided by 2, which is 0.5. And the period is pi. Okay, for B, write an equation in the form y equals a sine x or y equals a cos bx for each function. Okay, so I'm going to take a look. This is A. Take a look at B. Let's put B in a different color. Okay, so graph A has the pattern of a sine curve. Since the amplitude is 1, A is equal to 1, and using the period for pi and choosing B to be positive, the period equals 2 pi over the absolute value of B, 4 pi equals 2 pi over the absolute value of B. So B is equal to 1/2. So the equation for the function y equals a sine bx is y equals sine 1/2 x. That's for A. Okay. For B, graph B. Okay, it has the pattern of a cosine curve. Since the amplitude is 0.5, A equals 0.5, and using the period pi and choosing B to be positive, we have the period is equal to 2 pi over the absolute value of B. Substituting that in, we get pi equals 2 pi over B. B is equal to 2. So the equation of the function in the form y equals a cosine bx is y equals 0.5 cosine 2x. Okay, C. Explain your choice of either sine or cosine for each function. So if we take a look for graph A, since it passes over 0, 0, or through 0, 0, the sine function is a better choice. And since the graph B passes through 0 and 0.5, right here we have an intercept, cosine is the better choice. So that's the explanation for those two.